Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining questions of exercise 9.2. In question number 12, the statement is the ratio of the sum of the m and nth term of AP is m square n square. This means am and an. Is sum. So Sm and Sn is m square upon n square. We prove that the ratio of the m and nth term is 2m-1 upon 2n-1. For this, first we find Sm. Sm is m upon 2a plus m-1 into d, and Sn is n upon 2a plus n-1 into d. When we put the value here, this is m upon 2, this is 2a plus n-1 into d divided by n upon 2, this is 2a plus n-1 into d equals to m square upon n square. This 2 cancel out as well as m and n. So 2a plus n-1 into d upon 2a plus n-1 into d equals to m by n. When we cross multiply this, we have 2an m into m-1d and 2am m into n-1d. This is 2an, this is nm means m into d, this is 2am and this is mn means m into d. 2an, take this term on the left hand side, 2am, this is mn means m, this is means nn plus n, take d common, this cancel out. So when we take 2a common, this is n means m, this is n means m into d, this cancel out. So 2a equals to d. And when we write am by an is a plus m-1 into d and an is a plus n-1 into d. When we put the value of d is 2a. Here put the value of d, which is 2a. Take a common, then 1 plus 2m means 2. Take a common, 1 plus 2n means 2. This cancel out. This is 2m means 1. This is 2n means 1. This is the ratio of the nth to the nth term of the AP. In next question, the statement is if the sum of the n terms of AP is, this is we have given Sn 3n square plus 5n and m term is, this means am is 164, find the value of m. Here Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. As we know, Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n-1 into d. For solving this question, first we put n is equal to 1 here. So this is 1 upon 2, this is 2a plus 1-1 into d. S1 is, when we put 1 here, this is 5 into 1, this is 1 upon 2 into 2a. This cancel out. So this is 3 plus 5 equals to a. So a is a. When we put 2, this is S2, 2 upon 2, 2a plus 2-1 into d. S2. When we put 2 here, 3 into 2 square, 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 10, which is 22. This is 1 and value of A is A plus B. So 22 equals to 16 plus B and value of B is A. Sorry, 6. Value of B is 6 and AM is A plus MS 1 into B. This is 164. Value of A is A plus MS 1, B is 6. 164 minus 8 equals to MS 1 into 6. This is 156 equals to MS 1 into 6. MS 1 is 156 upon 6. 6 to the 12, 3, 6 6 to 36. So M is 27. This is the answer of this question. In the next question, the statement is insert 5 numbers between A and 26 so that the resulting sequence is in AP. 5, 8 and 26. We insert first number is A1, second is A2, A3 and A4, A5. So this is 26. We insert A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 between 8 and 26. In this A is 8 and number of terms are 7 and last term is A7 is 26. As we know, A7 is A plus 60. Value of A is A, 60. 26. So 60 is 26 minus 8, 18. D is equal to 3. This is the second term. This means A plus B. So A1 is 8 plus 3, 11. A2 is A plus 2B. 8 plus 2 into 3. This is 14. A3 is A plus 3D. This is A is 8. 3 into 3. This is 17. A4 is A plus 4D. This is 8 plus 4 into 3. This is 20. And A5 is 8 plus 5 into 3. This is 23. These are the 5 arithmetic means between 8 and 26. So the sequence is in AP. In the next question, if an plus bn, this is an plus bn upon an minus 1, bn minus 1 is the arithmetic mean between a and b. Arithmetic mean is sum of two numbers divided by 2. This is the arithmetic mean an. Arithmetic mean is sum of the two numbers divided by 2. In this, we have find the value of n. For this cross multiply, so we have a plus b, a n minus 1, b n minus 1. This is 2an plus 2b power n. When we multiply this, a power 1 minus 1 cancel out, so we have an only. In this a b n minus 1, this is b a n minus 1. When we multiply, base is same and power back. So it is bn. 2an plus 2bn. Take this an on left hand side and bn also on left hand side. And write it is bn. This is b minus 1 on b. This is an upon a. Subtract this. We have an plus bn. This is a b n upon b plus b a n upon a. When we take this term on the left hand side and this term on the right hand side, take a n common, so 1 minus b upon a. Take b n common, a upon b minus 1. When we take the LCM, this is a minus b upon a. This is a minus b upon b. So this cancel out. We have a n upon bn equals to a upon b. So a upon bn equals to a upon b power 1. So n is equal to 1. As these are equal, so the powers are also equal. The value of n is 1. In the next question, the statement is between 1 and 31, m arithmetic means are inserted. That is 1 n arithmetic means m, a1, a2, a3, last one is an and 31. In this question, the statement is between 1 and 31, m terms are inserted so that the resulting sequence are in AP and the ratio of the 7 to the n-th month is 5/n. We are required to find the value of m. In this sequence, a is 1, the last term is 31 and number of terms are m plus 2. These are the m means and these are the 2 terms. So the number of terms are m plus 2. As we know, an is a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 31, a is 1, n is m plus 2 minus 1 into d. This is 31, this is m plus 1 into d. So the value of d is 30 upon m plus 1. This is the value of d. In this, first we find a7. First we find a7. So a7 is a plus 7d. A is 1, d is 30 upon m plus 1. When we take the LCM, this is m plus 1, this is 200 upon m plus 1. So this is m plus 211 by m plus 1. This is the 7th term. And we find a n minus 1. This is a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of a is 1 and d is 30 upon m plus 1. So this is m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30 upon m plus 1. This is 31m minus 29 upon m plus 1. When we put the value a7 on am minus 1, a7 is m plus 211 over m plus 1. This is 31m minus 29 upon m plus 1. These two cancel out. This ratio is 5/9. M plus 211, 31m minus 29. When we cross multiply this is 150, this is 145, this is 9m, 9, 18. So this is 146m is equal to plus 145. 4, this is 13, 14, 02. So m is 2044 upon 146. When we cancel out 1022, this becomes 73 into 14, 42, 102. This is 40. So m is equal to 40. Solve all these sums on fair notebook. If any problem, then ask me. Thank you.